1998 Chevrolet Silverado K1500 extended cab, third door, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Listen to this, just a little over 54,000 miles on this one is all. And this thing just makes you go, wow. Every time I look at this truck, I walked around it, took pictures of it. If you want to see a well cared for vehicle, pay attention. We're gonna walk around this one, check it out. Pewter metallic paint, and it still shows like it's new. Underneath the hood, of course, Vortec 5.7 liter V8. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, 4L60E. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Look at the condition of the front bumper as far as the chrome, headlight surrounds, grille. Still pictures. I want you to take your time looking through the still pictures. Look at the interior, the undersides. This truck from every angle. As you can see, it does have a Lund bug deflector on it. Look at the condition of the paint in the hood. Nice shine to it. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all these pics. You can call us, 507-386-1726. Look at the condition of the wheels. How many times do you see them starting to corrode, show their age? Very nice shape. Eldorado radials. Looks like Lund step boards on it also. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I'll show you a few of the imperfections that I've noticed, but I tell you what, they're few and far in between. First of all, right here behind that wheel well, that is the factory protective coating, like a 3M tape that would have came from Chevrolet on there. There's a real small, and I don't even know if I can get it to show up, just a real small thing. And again, I am being fussy because how clean this truck is. How about a little peek at the interior? Look at these seats, as well as the dash and carpeting. We'll get around to the driver's side. I want to show you that here in just a bit. Take a look at these lower rockers, cab corners. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the underside of these doors. Take a look at them. Look at these door sills. Carpeting under the mat. Yeah, like new. Again, third door. And like I said, we will get around to the driver's side. Take a little closer look at that, but with the third door, I thought I'd better give you a peek. How about wheel wells in the rear? A little scratch right back there. And again, it's being awful fussy. Z71 package. You have a skid plate. What Bilstein shocks. This one does have 373 rear gears, G80 limited slip differential, fiberglass topper, true dual exhaust. Look at the chrome in the rear bumper. How many times you see the rear bumpers in this shape on this particular vintage of truck? Trailer package with receiver. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pictures. Let's take a look down this driver's side again. And here's that clear coating once again behind that rear wheel well. Look around the rear wheel wells. If you're around the Midwest enough, you know that these rear bedsides, they rust out. You'll literally see them flap in the wind sometimes when these trucks go down the road. Not the case on this one. Cab corner, lower doors, and how about up and around the wheel well again? This right here, that's discoloration in that plastic coating. That is not rust. That is discoloration, that plastic coating. And again, that's factory from General Motors, in this case Chevrolet. Once again, you can see paint in nice shape, nice shine to it, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I pointed out a couple of minor ones on the other side. Of course, Silverado is going to be nicely loaded. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here. And you'll be able to see pictures underneath the mats in the still pictures. The carpeting is like new. And this is factory leather. Bolster, seating surface, great. Yes, you can see the natural wrinkling of the hide. That's the way it's supposed to wear. Armrest, of course, with the center console with the front buckets. Tilt column, cruise control. Here's your exact miles, 54,983. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look. Start it up, let you run too. So 54,983, if you can see that. Let's close the door so we get the warning chime off. All right, so no warning indicators. That's for your daytime running lamps. Don't have the seatbelt on, so that's why the other light's on. Gauge is working. And again, clean Carfax, confirms miles, no accidents indicated. Push button on the go, 4-wheel drive. AM, FM cassette, stock radio, that is working. As it should. Again, take a look at the top of the dash. Good shape. Cassette player down below. Good sounding stereo. There's no surprises on this one, folks. Headliner. Door closes nicely, a slip around to the back. A little different exhaust in this, and it sounds good. Wow. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. I think we know what the engine bay is going to look like, judging by the rest of this truck. But let's take a look at it first. And remember, very end of this video, we're going to take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. I think we know how that's going to be too. All right, got the hood pop. Look at the underside of the hood. Now remember, this is a 1998. Look at how clean that hood liner is. Doesn't appear this thing has really been driven in much inclement weather. And look at the engine bay. In that Vortec 5.7 liter, excellent engine. Automatic with overdrive trans, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. No corrosion. Just a good looking stock engine bay. Let's take a look in the topper at the bed of this truck. See if it's got a mat or a bed liner. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. But since we're walking around it, let's check it out. Let's see if these, I have to flip these handles to get open here quick. All right, Duraliner, so bed liner. Doesn't look like it's been worked very hard. Not all banged up, dinged up. Again, what you'd expect. Wow. 1998, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles actual, 54,000, just a little over. 507-386-1726, number to call. UniqueClassicCars.com, check out all the pics. Look at the underside, wow. We do consider trades, financing is available. Of course, I can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1998 Chevrolet 1500 pickup truck. This is an extended cab. And a nice, kind of a pewter color. This truck's showing 54,980 miles. It definitely feels like a low mile truck. Nice rumble to that exhaust on this truck. Just a little bit of thump. Our gauges are all working well and looking Temperature's still under a quarter, it's warming up. Oil pressure is 60. Battery is charging over 14 and the fuel gauge is working.
Key of Mankato and receive a
Factory stereo also working good. Feels like a factory truck. It's a smooth ride. You've got the mirror with the compass built in. That's a nice feature. Overhead lighting switches. Storage. Leather seating. Leather bucket seats in the front. Very comfortable. Brakes are smooth and working well. Corners nicely, it corners as it should. Nice acceleration. It accelerates as you would expect for this truck. Just a very good condition Chevrolet. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.